At the top of a gate, need it, got everything you need it. Now bring it like you need it, done you need it, got it, na 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 na. Yeah, hello guys, hello everyone. It's your boy Ashiraf, and I'm back again as Shakira and Burna Boy, the African giant. Okay. Let's get into business today. So I'm teaching you that it's called Dai Dai by Shakira and Burna Boy. I don't know the lyrics, but I know the vibe. As long as you have the vibe, then you can do it. Okay. Got everything you need. Now, okay, without wasting your time, let's just do this. Oh. Yeah, let's go and do it. All right. As you can see, I'm here in the dancing space and I'm ready to teach you this. So let's just do it. Remember, this is my left, this is my right. Okay, we are doing this. We are starting with the jump forward. You jump, boom, and then you go down as if you're picking something. As if you are picking something. Okay, let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, we go. After picking it, you throw it away. Okay, let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, we go. Got everything you need. So after throwing it away, you call 2 times up. 1, 2. Okay, let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, we go. Got everything you need. Now bring it up. From up, and then you move to the right side. You go 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's try it again. So you jump to the side on your right, and then the left behind as you're crossing the arms. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, we go. 1, 2, 1, and 2. And then after that, you clap up from the top. 5, 6, 7, we go. Got everything you need. Now bring down 1, 2, 3, up. And then we do it this side again. 1, 2, 3, up. Okay, from the top, and I hope you are learning it from the top. From the top, we go 5, 6, 7, we go. Got everything you need. Now bring 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. Nice. Okay, after the up, we are down. Now we are moving forward. 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. You give me this, this. Nice. Come on. Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Nice. So after the 4 steps, you step forward with your right, left, and then you hit. It's like a wave. You hit, boom, boom. Nice, boom. Okay, let's try it from the 4 steps. 5, 6, 7, we go. Forward, step, boom. And then after the step, and then you hit the wave, you jump to the side, and then you hit it up on your toes, up, and then the waist, up. Nice. Let's try it again from the top. 5, 6, 7, we go. Got everything you need. Now bring it to the side, and up to the side, and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go 1, 2, boom, and nice. So after this, we are moving the waist. Nice. Okay, let's try it again from the top. 5, 6. Remember the counts. This is my left, this is my right. When I turn like this is my left, this is my right. Okay, let's try it again from the top. 5, 6, 7, we go. Got everything you need. Now bring a 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. In 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, boom, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, so that's it. Those are the steps. In case you didn't get them, feel free to rewind the video, rewatch it several times, learn each and everything, and then you rock the stage. You rock the stage, you rock the moves, you kill each and everybody in the streets. Let's try it again, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, we go. Got everything you need. Now bring it. Let's go. A 1, a 2, a 3, and 4. We go. A step, boom, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Boom. Yeah, that's the vibe. That's the Burna Boy vibe and Shakira vibe. Okay. Whew. Yeah, that was a bit tough. I'm sure you're also sweating, but after watching this video, why not give me a like? Why not give me a follow? Why not give me a comment? I mean, we are here to have fun. We are here to enjoy. So give me a like, give me a follow, subscribe, share to a friend. I'm sure there is someone who would like to learn this. So share it to him or her, and that's how we grow the dance community. It's just one love. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'm dropping so many of these. Sorry, I'm sweating. Yeah, I'm dropping so many of these, the dance tutorials, the dance moves, in case you want to learn how to dance, each and everything, the dance workouts, each and everything on this channel at Ashiraf Dance Academy. As you can see, that's our logo, Ashiraf Dance Academy, and this is our dance space. So subscribe, like, share, and comment. Yeah, bye for now. See you in the next video.